Hi everyone, and welcome to a LEGO stream, something I haven't done in a long time. Can you tell we're building some LEGO? A couple of weeks ago when I went to London, went to the largest LEGO store ever, and yeah, grabbed me a BD-1. There he is, there's the boy. Where is it? There you go, BD-1 75335, Best Droid. Stands for Best Droid. Alright? And if you're under 14, he's not the best droid. But there you go. Star Wars BD-1. And there we go. Jedi Fallen Order. But now it is for Jedi Survivor as well. It'd be interesting to see how many people come across this in their suggestions and by algorithms thinking, this has got Star Wars Jedi Survivor. People who want to see the game will want this video. And I'll be like, hi. So there we go, shiny booklet with BD-1. And on the back, you can win 3 threes. What? Already throwing some pieces on the floor, as you do. Try to dispose of your packaging responsibly. Yes, piece separators are always welcome. We have begun! Bed, a bit of chassis. Now we're going to start building some mechanics. Oh yes, some LEGO technics. Oh, can't argue with that. And, looky. Gotta do the thing. 1-to-1 scale. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm doing that thing where I'm looking for pieces that are already built into the thing that I've got. Oh yeah, satisfaction. Ta-da! Now we can smack this on the front. Are you ready for some joining? Yeah. Look at that. We're getting a big body. What? Oh, starting to look like the picture. Cool. That is bag 1 done. Time for bag 2. This is some nice multi-axle clickety ratchet. Yeah. Nice. See, that's like a droid itself. That was a good one. Are you ready for the next one? Yeah. Right. Now we're getting into some cool detail, right? Okay, because you get one of these, and then you get one of those, right? And then you get one of these, and then you plug that in there, and then you get that there, and check that. That was like a cool piston. Here for some feet, we've got happy heels. Yes, strength, structure. Which one are we doing first? Ah, yes. Right. So you get this, and then you get that, and then you clippity clippity clap, clippity snippity snap, and then we can start attaching legs. Are you ready? Clickety clap. Some chill lo-fi background music for stream would be lit though. It would. I don't have the setup for that. Although I just thought I could put like, right, 1 second. I could put the lo-fi girl stream on in the background. Might not be able to hear it very well, but can everyone hear that? I feel like I have to raise my voice a little bit to be heard over it. See, look at that. We've got naked legs! Naked legs! Looks a bit Johnny Five, doesn't it? We have feet. Look at my feet. Big toes. And another foot is done. Hee. Oh, okay. It's got a little bit of give as well, which is nice. Cool. He's got his shoes on. All right, time for bags 3. So these look like the detailing for the feet, for the legs, like the trousers, basically, the pants. Well, the new classic idea of using whips for cables. Yeah. Nice little cabley detailing. Lovely. There we go. DB? No. BD. Look, you see? We've got a BD. I like that. That is cool. Yeah. There you go. Starting to definitely look like some astromech legs. Droid legs. Haha! That's one. Yep, look at it. Put the other one on. Come on now. Yay! He's got boots on. Nice. These boots are made for walking. And that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. That looks nice. Okay. There's his upper legs. Lots of solidness in them. I like it. Me like a lot. So, time to stick him on. Put his trousers on. Yeah, that's a nice design where this is guided by this, so you're not putting it in the wrong holes. That's nice. I like that. I appreciate that. See, Lego sometimes does things like that, and it makes you think, yeah, I feel like I feel like a worry is being answered before I start to worry about it. There we go. Once again, guide, and then insertion. And there we go. He's got his trousers on. Hooray! There's a few more things to do, like detail-y, kibbly bits. Otherwise, pants are done. Look at that. Body, pair of legs, all done. So now we just need an important bit up here. The head. Oh, look at them legs. This is one of the few times it's very, very appropriate to admire a pair of legs. Nice. Love it. He's got flappy heels and feet. They look like they shouldn't be as sturdy as they are, but they are. Das ist cool. So if I place him there, it looks like he could just be complete. But he ain't, because he ain't got a head. Time for bag 4. Starting to get a frame for the head. If you're wondering why there's a gap here, I know why there's a gap there. But I'll let you discover when we do it. You see, there you go. It's a slidey thing to slide out. Slide in, slide out. Slide in, slide out. Slide. You get the idea. There you go. That's looking nice. Slidey, slidey. Okay. Time for a new bit. Let's see. And start to see where the eye is going to go. Some nice layers of design there. Alright. We're putting this and this together. Are you all ready for the joining? Oh, wait a minute. You see, you're aligning the 6 pillars. And sort of smushing it. Oh dear. There we go. Right. That's some head smushing done. Have you smushed a droid's head today? See, it's starting to look a bit like BD-1's head. I think so anyway. Okay. Bag 5. Penultimate bag. We're nearly there. So let's go, 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 go. Okay. I can get with it. Right, these are the side panels for BD-1. So. Okay, so these two head side panels may not exactly be a mirror image of each other. But no matter. We press on. Okay. Nice. Nice angles there. Cool. Right, and that goes on here. Aha, you'll see in it matches flush with everything else. And there you go. Got a bit of matching lines and details there already. There we go. Attachment on the other side. Look at that. That's looking like a consistently flowing design. Like a droid head. That's so cool. Yeah. On that side you got the tray. Yeah. Just need the back bits and the goggles now. See, it says in the instructions, like in different languages. Click, 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 cat, click, kiss, and other onomatopoeic sounds. I don't need to tell you. You're a clever bunch of bananas. We insert from up here. Okay. See, this gap here, we put this in there, and then we push that in, and then that in at the back. Alright. As long as we understand. That's one. That's two. He's got a neck. Oh! He can go, arr, arr. We are at bag 6. Final bag. Are you all ready? We're nearly there. And look what I found. A little BD-1. We'll pop into one side so there. So you can watch you all. There we go. Got some eyes in there. Upside down, but we've still got some eyes. Yeah. That's one of the eyes. And we get to shove it in here. Yeah. He can see you. Hello. Hello. Now he has depth perception. Now here's what looks like a really clever bit because you got these eyes, you got these bits here with the irises, and then you got these. It looks a bit funky, but then you close this and look, it matches together. Oh yes, and the same on the other side. Look at that. Is that cool? Ear. Look at them. I fixed the ears. There we go. Ooh, It's back of the head time. Because this explains why we've got so many nice little crystalline coloured blue studs. See, look. You can see what's happening here. I suppose it's an important part because for most of the game you are looking at the back of his head. See, look at that. Look how pretty that is. Lovely. Put this on. Got the anchor points here. And then lean back. There's the back of his head. Cool. More detailing. And in what is probably one of my most favourite LEGO diagrams ever, we're going to attach the head. Attach the neck to the body. Just look at that pose. It's like, I'm alive! This is going to be a pure Frankenstein moment. Oh dear. No, I'm going to have to lay the head down on the operating table. There we go. Right. Here we go. That's one. That's two. Come on. 3 for 3. Yes! I live! Alright. Now we do the stims. I think I need one after all this. Stim pack. When your health is low. Right. That's more or less the droid himself done. He's just going to stay there for a second because I need to do the that one. There we go, that's supposed to be the stand. And there's the mini BD-1. Okay. So that's where the sticker would go, but can't find that at the moment, and I don't know where it is. And you know what? At this point, I'm not that bothered. Like that. Mini. There we go. Minifigure BD-1. Looks so cool. It's got a little bit of shiny paint on as well. That's nice. Just like one solid piece. You're able to put stud in the back, stud at the bottom. It's tiny. It's teeny and tiny. But oh my, we have a bigger river. There he is. Oh man. Look at this fella. So nice detail in the legs, like I say. The legs can move, but I don't want to move them because it ruins something in the build. So it's got a nice head as well. It does a nice little side to side, like oh, curious. Oh, and then we've got movable antenna as well, and we've got the tray with the stim pack, as you can see in here. And yeah, we've got some other articulation joints with the thick ratchets that go clickety clack. Yeah, and the main thing I love about this is like it's just the attention to detail all around. See, look at that on the back. That's so nice. That's so cool. And the heels as well. See, look at that. It's a bit of a flappy heel, but it's supposed to emulate this sort of pistony area, and yeah. This is a good build. This is a build that makes me happy. And then we angle the legs a little bit as well, so he's not completely standing like still. He's got a bit of a stance to him. So yeah, there we go. Looks nice. I want one now. Oh man. I would say if you're wanting to get this, if you can find this at a good price, definitely go for it. Yeah. So there we go. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Guns are done without everyone. Right, just trying to get him in frame. Right. Right, if I can I angle him a little bit. There. So if we do that, then we can end it like that, you see? Just like I would stand the thing on top of it, but I don't want to mess the phone setup around. Anyway. Yeah, there you go. BD-1 75335. So that's going to call it 3 hours 42 minutes, just over the 3.5 hour mark. Okay, it's been a long one, but I think it's been worth it. Be interesting to see how long this will be on the YouTube when I've sped up the buildy bit. So all that remains for me to say is thank you very much for watching. As BD-1 looks at you with a dead stare, we shall say goodbye. Bye-bye. He's always watching you. Good night.